Hello everybody, welcome to Bell CB. We got the Cobra 29LXMAX. It's a Cobra 29LX with all kinds of toys in it. But it's the same Cobra 29 as the rest. So this one's got a MOSFET modification in it. And it's for William in Pennsylvania. Alright Bill, check it up here. It's 10 watts on the top scale there, so that's coming in at just a hair below 6. 50 watts here for my peak power. Be reading power in this middle scale right here. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Check. Audio. Okay. And that's it. That's all there is to show you with that radio. For power wise anyway. That's all tune-ups. We'll record slows for power. Nobody out there to talk to. Huh. Try here again. I'm going to try one more time. One more time for a radio check on 19. Breaker.
Somebody out there on 19.
What'd you say on 18?
I said I didn't know you was having a hard time. I'm over here at Call Your Hardware. You got the Raven. Go ahead.
10-4 on Call Your Hardware. You're on 18, silly.
I'm not shit. The mic cord must have changed the channel.
Yeah, Roger. All right, this radio sounding good?
Oh, it's right and tight.
10-4, I'll see you later.
All right.